Welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on how to simplify the expression 4*x squared plus 4x divided by 2x to its lowest terms by following a series of steps. You will be able to simplify this expression and express it in its most simplified form. So let's dive right in and begin solving this problem step by step. Let's get started. To begin solving the problem of reducing the rational expression 4x squared plus 4x divided by 2x to its lowest terms, follow these steps. Start by factoring the numerator and the denominator separately. The numerator 4x squared plus 4x can be written as 4x times the quantity x plus 1. This is because 4x squared divided by 4x is x and 4x divided by 4x is 1. So the expression becomes 4x times the quantity x plus 1 divided by 2x. Now, let's simplify by canceling common factors in both the numerator and the denominator. Observe that both the numerator 4x times the quantity x plus 1 and the denominator 2x have a factor of x. First, divide 4x by 2x. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and x divided by x is 1. Since dividing any number by itself results in 1, x divided by x equals 1. Thus, the simplified form is now 2 times the quantity x plus 1. In summary, we factored, simplified by canceling common factors, and the expression was reduced to 2 times the quantity x plus 1. Now, let's simplify by canceling common factors in both the numerator 4x times the quantity x plus 1 and the denominator 2x. Observe that both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor of x. First, we need to divide 4x by 2x. When we divide 4 by 2, the result is 2. When we divide x by x, the result is 1 because dividing any number by itself equals 1. So, x divided by x equals 1. This means the common factor of x cancels out, leaving us with 2 times the quantity x plus 1 in the numerator. Now, let's rewrite the expression. We are left with 2 times the quantity x plus 1 divided by 1. Since the x in the denominator has also cancelled out, since any number divided by 1 is the number itself, we can simply state that the final simplified expression is 2 times the quantity x plus 1. Congratulations! You've reduced the rational expression to its lowest terms.